Approximately 6 miles south of Big Pine Key, a complete reef ecosystem is found between 20 and 40 feet of water.
Here we go.
Looe Key was named after a 44-gun fifth-rate warship of the Royal Navy HMS Looe. Her Majesty's ship Looe was grounded in this exact area on February 5, 1744, only 3 years after she was built. We're headed to the more shallow area of Looe Key, where the ship probably made contact. We'll take our time and enjoy our surroundings. Off in the distance, we could hear a strange but familiar sound. This sound is unmistakably made by the constant feeding of parrotfish. They didn't seem to mind our curiosity much, as they continued munching away at the small bit of algae covering the rocks. Most parrotfish species graze mainly on algae. Some of the larger species feed on coral polyps. Overall, it's been estimated that less than 1% of parrotfish bites involve live corals, and all except the green humphead parrotfish prefer algae-covered surfaces over live corals. Whether they feed on coral, rock, or seagrasses, the substrate is ground up between the pharyngeal teeth. After they digest the edible portions from the rock, they excrete it as sand, helping to create small islands and sandy beaches. Parrotfish are indeed natural sand makers of the sea.